Welcome to Speak Peak English. Today, we are going to practice English with a story called At the Shopping Center. Along the way, we'll introduce some new vocabulary. It's a perfect opportunity to enhance your listening and speaking skills. Let's dive in and enjoy the conversation between Emily, John, and Lisa. Listen carefully. At the shopping center. It's a sunny Saturday afternoon. Emily and her friend, John, are at the local shopping center to buy some new clothes. They enter a clothing store and are greeted by a sales assistant, Lisa.
Good afternoon, welcome to Fashion Hub. How can I help you today?
Good afternoon. We're looking for some new clothes. Do you have any sales going on?
Yes, we do. We have a summer sale with discounts up to 50% off. What kind of clothes are you looking for?
I need some casual shirts and maybe a new pair of jeans.
And I'm looking for a summer dress and a pair of sandals.
Great. The men's casual shirts and jeans are on the left side of the store. The women's dresses and sandals are at the back.
Thank you. We'll start with the men's section. Emily and John walk to the men's section and start browsing through the shirts.
Emily, what do you think of this shirt?
I like it. The color suits you. Why don't you try it on?
Good idea. I'll grab a pair of jeans to try on too.
John picks a pair of jeans and goes to the fitting room. Emily continues to browse. John, how do the clothes fit?
The shirt is perfect, but the jeans are a bit tight. I'll try the next size up.
Okay. I'll look around the women's section while you do that. Emily heads to the back of the store and starts looking at dresses. Lisa approaches her.
Did you find everything you were looking for?
Yes, I found a couple of dresses. Can you help me find the sandals?
Of course. The sandals are right over here. What size do you need?
I'm a size 7.
Here are some options in size 7. Would you like to try them on?
Yes, please. Emily tries on a pair of sandals. These are comfortable. I'll take them.
Great choice. Do you need anything else?
No, that's all for now. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
Emily goes back to the fitting room to check on John. Did you find a better fit?
Yes, this pair of jeans is perfect.
Great. Let's go to the checkout. Emily and John head to the checkout counter where Lisa is waiting.
Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, we did. Thanks for your help.
My pleasure. Your total is $75. Will you be paying by cash or card?
Card, please. Emily hands over her card, and Lisa processes the payment.
Here's your receipt. Have a great day and enjoy your new clothes.
Thank you. You too.
Thanks, Lisa. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Come back soon.
Emily and John leave the store, happy with their purchases and ready to enjoy the rest of their day at the shopping center. After listening to the conversation between Emily, John, and Lisa, I feel inspired to appreciate the helpfulness and friendliness we encounter while shopping. How about you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, let's dive into some new vocabulary words from the story to enhance our English skills. It's time for word exploration. 1. Fitting room. Definition. A small room in a store where you can try on clothes to see if they fit and how they look before buying them. Example from the story. John picks a pair of jeans and goes to the fitting room. Example from real life. I took 3 dresses to the fitting room to try them on before deciding which one to buy. 2. Sale. Definition. A period during which a store sells goods at reduced prices. Example from the story, yes we do. We have a summer sale with discounts up to 50% off. Example from real life. I waited for the Black Friday sale to buy a new TV because they usually have big discounts. 3. Casual. Definition. Suitable for everyday wear, not formal. Example from the story. I need some casual shirts and maybe a new pair of jeans. Example from real life. For the picnic, I wore a casual outfit consisting of jeans and a t-shirt. 4. Checkout. Definition. The place in a store where you pay for the items you have chosen to buy. Example from the story. Emily and John head to the checkout counter where Lisa is waiting. Example from real life. There was a long line at the checkout, so it took a while to pay for my groceries. 5. Receipt. Definition. A piece of paper that lists the items you bought and shows that you have paid for them. Example from the story. Here's your receipt. Have a great day and enjoy your new clothes. Example from real life. Keep the receipt in case you need to return the shoes for a different size. Now we've reached the final round. Let's practice both listening and speaking skills together with a repeat after me session. Ready? Let's begin. At the shopping center. It's a sunny Saturday afternoon. Emily and her friend, John, are at the local shopping center to buy some new clothes. They enter a clothing store and are greeted by a sales assistant, Lisa.
Good afternoon, welcome to Fashion Hub. How can I help you today?
Good afternoon. We're looking for some new clothes. Do you have any sales going on?
Yes, we do. We have a summer sale with discounts up to 50% off. What kind of clothes are you looking for?
I need some casual shirts and maybe a new pair of jeans.
And I'm looking for a summer dress and a pair of sandals.
Great. The men's casual shirts and jeans are on the left side of the store. The women's dresses and sandals are at the back.
Thank you. We'll start with the men's section. Emily and John walk to the men's section and start browsing through the shirts.
Emily, what do you think of this shirt?
I like it. The color suits you. Why don't you try it on?
Good idea. I'll grab a pair of jeans to try on too.
John picks a pair of jeans and goes to the fitting room. Emily continues to browse. John, how do the clothes fit?
The shirt is perfect, but the jeans are a bit tight. I'll try the next size up.
Okay, I'll look around the women's section while you do that. Emily heads to the back of the store and starts looking at dresses. Lisa approaches her.
Did you find everything you were looking for?
Yes, I found a couple of dresses. Can you help me find the sandals?
Of course. The sandals are right over here. What size do you need?
I'm a size 7.
Here are some options in size 7. Would you like to try them on? Here are some options in size 7. Would you like to try them on?
Yes, please. Emily tries on a pair of sandals. These are comfortable. I'll take them.
Great choice. Do you need anything else?
No, that's all for now. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
Emily goes back to the fitting room to check on John. Did you find a better fit?
Yes, this pair of jeans is perfect.
Great. Let's go to the checkout. Emily and John head to the checkout counter where Lisa is waiting.
Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, we did. Thanks for your help.
My pleasure. Your total is $75. Will you be paying by cash or card?
Card, please. Emily hands over her card, and Lisa processes the payment.
Here's your receipt. Have a great day and enjoy your new clothes.
Thank you. You too.
Thanks, Lisa. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Come back soon.
Emily and John leave the store, happy with their purchases and ready to enjoy the rest of their day at the shopping center. That concludes today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed learning with the conversation between Emily, John, and Lisa at the shopping center. If you liked this session, please consider liking and subscribing for more content. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep exploring and practicing your English. Until next time, take care.